Okay, look, quadrant 2, right? So we're in quadrant 2 now. All right, look, when you guys look at the x and the y axes, you guys should understand that, use red? Okay, is that this axis is negative, but this y is positive? Yeah? X positive, negative, positive, y? Okay, so if I'm looking at this triangle and I grab 180, it's 150, right? And I come back through here, that's really a 30. So even though it's a 30 here, it's really 150 degrees. If I label it, yes, I have a rad 3, but it's negative rad 3 because it's negative on the x-axis. But the 1 is still positive, and your radius is always positive. Yeah? Okay, so when I'm figuring this out then, so if this is my angle, I didn't want red. If this is my angle, this is OAH, and so same SOHCAHTOA. Wait, I didn't write that. SOHCAHTOA. Okay, what is sine of 30 degrees? O over H, 1/2. Okay, what's cosine over 30? A over H, negative rad 3 over 2. And what's TOA? O over A, 1 over negative rad 3, but you guys know you multiply rad 3, top and bottom. So you end up with negative rad 3 over 3. So if I come here on 150, it's 1/2 negative 3 rad 2 and negative rad 3 over 3. Let's see if I can, hold on, let's move it over. Here we go. Right? You always build off the x-axis. You do not build your triangles off the y. Okay. And that's because we're going to learn about coterminal angles, degrees or radians, and you build off the x-axis. So we kind of keep you thinking that same way. Okay, the 45s. So the 45 is really 135 degrees. That's here. So again, this is shooting out, so this is negative. So this is a -1. And so now, what's sine of 45 degrees? Oops, sorry. Let's do our OAH. So this is the angle, OAH. Okay, so what is sine of 45? OH, 1 over rad 2. But again, right, you can use the calculator, but it's rad 2 over 2. What's cosine of 45? These are your legs. So you should already know it's rad 2 over 2. They're always identical. But this has a negative because it's A over H. So it's -1 over rad 2. So this is negative rad 2 over 2. Let's put negative so you guys can see them. And then what's tangent of 45? OA, 1 over -1, which is -1. You see the red? Yeah, you see the red. So then if I slide this over and my table, I'm going to get, so I'm on 135 degrees, right? Because that's the 45, right? We did the 30, the 45. Next we'll do the 60, so we're on 135. So rad 2 over 2, negative rad 2 over 2, and -1. Going over the unit circle, building it, I mean, you're gonna memorize your 1, 1, rad 2, 1, 2, rad 3. I mean, the good thing is you have to keep doing them over, like, I mean, you do them this many times on the table that you're gonna end up memorizing how you label it, just because you're going through it. Okay, So now 60. Okay, so remember, 60 is 120 degrees. So again, this is negative. So this is a -1, rad 3, 2. So now what is sine of 60 degrees? Well, this is my angle, OAH. So sine is rad 3 over 2. Cosine is -1 over 2. And tangent is rad 3 over -1, which you could just write negative rad 3 if you like. Let's put the negatives. Yeah, I think that's all of them. And that's it. That's quadrant 2. So tomorrow, I'll kind of encourage you guys to give quadrant 3 a try, and then try quadrant 4 and see if you guys can build them. It's just, I'll help you out because both the x and the y are negative. What am I doing? Rad 3 over 2, -1/2, negative rad 3. Okay, and there you go. And you guys are filling in the radians here. Does it fit? Oh, it fits. Here, I just need to elevate this. Let me grab something. There you go. And that's all of it. I do that. I breathe and then I'm like, why can't I breathe?
Oh my god, that happens to you all the time. It's so bad. What was that?
She's regaining herself. She's resetting. Like, I was on the treadmill and I did that and I got off of it because the people next to me don't want me coughing next to them, you know. But I was like, why can't I run and breathe? Okay, you're good? I can shut it off? Yeah? Okay, so quadrant 3 tomorrow. So pretty, you guys.